In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the missing Save Tab Group option in Google Chrome. Many users have noticed this feature suddenly disappearing, but do not worry because the solution is quite simple. First, you need to open your Chrome browser and type Chrome flags into the address bar, then hit Enter. This opens the internal experimental settings menu, where we can toggle specific features. In the search box at the top of the page, type the word Groups to filter the results. Look for an entry titled Tab Groups Save and Sync, or something very similar. You will likely see a drop-down menu next to it that says Default or Disabled. Click that menu and change the selection to Enabled. Once you make this change, a blue button will appear at the bottom of the screen asking you to relaunch the browser. Click that button to restart Chrome and apply the new settings. When the browser opens back up, you can right-click any existing tab group to see that the Save toggle has returned. It is that easy.